these are my little buddies. These guys are very cool. So yeah, these are my plushies recommended by a random person on Roblox who somehow knows me. Or Minecraft, I don't know. I don't remember, dude. Me cleaning. Use all the tissues in the house.